Wake up every morning with the thought that something wonderful is about to happen. A warm greetings to all my dear students, parents and entire Prabhat family. On behalf of Prabhat Parivar, I, Alifia Alamdar, heartily welcome you all to our unique and the most awaited online felicitation ceremony 2020 for Standard 10th and Standard 12th achievers who have brought laurels and achieved excellence in CBSE Board Exams 2020. I also extend my welcome to our esteemed dignitaries, Honorable Director Dr. Gajanan Nare Sir, Director Mrs. Vandana Nare Ma'am, Secretary Mr. Neeraj Avandekar, Mrs. Shilpa Avandekar, Academic Director Ms. Kanchan Patukar, Academic Dean Narayana N Guide Expert Program, Hyderabad, Dr. Mallikarjun Talla, Principal Mrs. Vrushali Vaghmare, Vice Principal Mrs. Archana Belsare, Vice Principal Pre-Primary Vaishali Tolmare and Manager Mr. Abhijit Joshi. Please welcome all our esteemed dignitaries with a huge round of applause. We are all joined together as a family to reveal addition of another milestone of our accomplishment in the history of Prabhat Kids School. To begin with, first of all, I would like to call a very energized and optimistic personality who builds character, inspires dreams, encourages creativity, builds confidence and instills a lot of learning. Our Honorable Principal, Mrs. Vrushali Vaghmare, to address the audience and share her valuable thoughts.
Good morning to one and all presently watching this program. Honorable dignitaries, dear parents, teachers and students. On behalf of Prabhat Kids School, I heartily welcome you all in this first and foremost innovative online felicitation program. I feel very privileged and honored to be here in front of you all to appreciate and reward the hard work of the students of Standard 10th and 12th in their board examination. Prabhat Kids School has registered 100% result in both the examination. In Standard 10th, 21 students score 100 out of 100 marks. Out of 198, 130 students score distinction and 56 students score above 90% marks. Instead of any outside coaching, Prabhat senior secondary students took benefit of excellent teaching of our expert faculties and proved themselves too. I am extremely glad at the fact that our HODs, teachers are leaving no stone unturned in the working hard towards this direction. This certainly wouldn't have been possible without our committed teachers and capable students as well. I acknowledge the achievement of our brilliant students who have made both the school and their parents feel proud. A big congratulations to all. I would also like to address to the students those who are standing behind in the queue. Children, remember, it's never too late to be what you might have been. You have a big scope to achieve many more things in the future because it's just a beginning. So never give up. Lastly, I would like to express my gratitude towards Honorable Director Sir, Director Madam, Secretary Sir, Academic Director Madam for inspiring and motivating us. I also thanks to Vice Principal, Manager Sir, coordinators for taking this institute at a great height. A special thanks to the parents for believing on us and making this program a huge success. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your warm wishes and kind and motivating words to all our students. Beginning with our felicitation ceremony, first of all, let's congratulate the students who have achieved their results between 50 to 75%.
श्रीकांत बागडे, ओम कराळे, योगीराज इंगळे, राज अंभोरे, अर्चित मावळे, राज मौर्य, शिव अग्रवाल, प्रणव सोरे, भावेश लांडे, अथर्व पदरखे, वीरेंद्र पवार, स्पंदन राऊत, प्रणव टेके, हर्षदीप शिरसाट, साहिल देशमुख, रितेश दहाके, दिव्या कांबळे, साक्षी ससाणे, प्राची देशमुख, सर्वेश वाघोडे, वेदांत गोयंका, ऋषिकेश पंड, यश झांबरे, शीतल बागडे, आदित्य आंबेकर, तेजस घोगरे, कृष्णा दांदळे, पार्थ वाकडे, अनुज देशमुख, समृद्धी हिरड, दिव्या खंडारे, सुजल शाह, सुदर्शन श्रीवास्तव, वेदांत गावंडे, श्रावणी मानकर, सोहम मानमोडे, नमन चांडक, वैभव तायडे, तनुश्री इंगळे, स्वामी मानकर, गौरव आहूजा, तनय उजनकर, जानवी बिजवे, मनीष आहूजा, ऐश्वर्या गीते, मंदार देशमुख, योगीराज मांडेकर, उत्कर्ष सालफळे, महेश पावडे, रितिका जायले, आस्था डाखोरे, आकांक्षा कराळे, रिया शाह, वृषाली खेडकर, सर्वेश वाकळे, हर्ष मानकर, सोहम देशमुख, श्रेया बिजवे, प्राची नाईक, शिवम राठोड, जानवी भांगे, निधी भट्टर, वैष्णवी डोंगरे, परेश लोखंडे, हिमांशु अग्रवाल, श्रुति गाकर, आकांक्षा सालफेकर, रेवती जाधव.
Great leaders don't set out to be a leader. They set out to make a difference. It's never about the role, always about the goal. Now, I would like to request one such leader of Prabhat Parivar who empower others, our academic director, Kanchan Patukar ma'am, to congratulate all the students and guide them for their better future.
All the honorable dignitaries, dear teachers, parents and dear students. I am very glad today on the occasion of this felicitation ceremony for all the achievers of standard 10th and 12th 2019-20. I wholeheartedly congratulate to all the successful 42 students of standard 12th and the team of Prabhat Senior Secondary and the entire team of Narayana and their management for the successful execution of the complete academic program. I even congratulate to all the 198 successful students of standard 10th, their teachers of extracurricular activities, counselor, mess department who helped them to maintain their physical, mental and emotional health. I even congratulate the entire team of Prabhat who directly or indirectly contributed to make this success possible. under the valuable guidance of our school management. Dear students, this is the occasion when you must be receiving many congratulatory messages, hearty wishes and of course many suggestions. जी हाँ, ये वो समय है जब आपको हर कोई, आपके पेरेंट्स, टीचर्स, आपके दोस्त, वेल विशर्स कुछ न कुछ सलाह देना चाहते हैं और ज़रूरी भी है। वो इसलिए देना चाहते हैं कि वो चाहते हैं आप ज़िंदगी में अच्छा बनो, आपका भविष्य उज्जवल बने। तो आज इस अवसर पर मैं भी आपसे कुछ कहना चाहती हूँ, लेकिन मेरी फीलिंग्स और आपसे मेरी जो उम्मीदें हैं उसे मेरी एक छोटी सी कविता के द्वारा मैंने व्यक्त करने की कोशिश की है। हर किसी की आंख जिसे देखना चाहे तुम ऐसा एक ख्वाब बनो, हर किसी की आंख देखना चाहे तुम ऐसा एक ख्वाब बनो, जो भी बनो जिंदगी में तुम लाजवाब बनो। हाँ, यकीनन मैं चाहती हूँ तुम कामयाब बनो। लेकिन कामयाबी की इस दौड़ में कभी मानवता हार न जाए, तुम इसका ख्याल रखना। लेकिन कामयाबी की इस दौड़ में मानवता कहीं हार न जाए, तुम इसका ख्याल रखना। और जिस राह पर चलोगे तुम, वो साफ और सीधी है कि नहीं, वो भी जरा देखना। कोई पुकार रहा है तुम्हें, उसके दर्द को जरा सुन लेना। कोई पुकार रहा है तुम्हें, उसके दर्द को जरा सुन लेना। कोई उम्मीद से देख रहा है तुम्हें, उससे भी जरा मिल लेना। जिसने साथ दिया है तुम्हारा, न भूलना कभी उस हाथ को। जिसने साथ दिया है तुम्हारा, न भूलना कभी उस हाथ को। जिसने जीतने की उम्मीद जगाई तुम्हारे अंदर, न भूलना उस बात को। हाँ, मैं मानती हूँ कि सफलता की ऊंचाइयों को छूना है तुम्हें। हाँ, मैं मानती हूँ कि सफलता की ऊंचाइयों को छूना है तुम्हें, लेकिन सच्चाई को छोड़ना नहीं। कितनी भी क्यों ना आए मुश्किलें, अच्छाई को छोड़ना नहीं। तुम एक अनमोल नज़ारा हो इस कुदरत का, तुम एक अनमोल नज़ारा हो इस कुदरत का। इसे खुद से कभी जुदा होने न देना। दुनिया की इस भीड़ में मेरे दोस्तों, अपने आप को कभी खोने न देना। अपने आप को कभी खोने न देना। थैंक यू।
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your inspiring words and best wishes to our students. Success doesn't come to you. You have got to go to it. And definitely, our Standard 12 students have got success through their hard work and dedication. So let us congratulate our senior secondary students batch 2019-20 who have made an outstanding achievement in CBSE board exams and has set a new benchmark.
जानवी चौहान, इशिका देशमुख, अथर्व साबळे, शंतनु वावगे, पल्लवी राठोड, अनुष्का उगले, रोहन सरदार, राधा गावंडे, प्रतीक्षा देशमुख, साक्षी बहादुरकर, गौरी वानखड़े, साक्षी पुरोहित, वैष्णवी नलकांडे, ओम बढ़े, विवेक इंगड़े, श्रद्धा मारशेट्टीवार, वेदांत राजपूत.
He has immense zeal and enthusiasm towards his goals.
नील अंबेरे 75.40%.
He is adventurous, meticulous and confident child.
वैष्णवी घुगे 75.40%.
She is an ambitious and resourceful child.
निविता मौर्य 76.60%.
She is persistent and sensitive child.
ऐश्वर्या औदकर 77.20%.
She is a determined student. She has a dynamic personality with positivity.
Jahnavi Dhokne, 77.20%.
She is an imaginative child. She is diligent and passionate about her studies.
Muskan Gupta, 77.20%.
She is a very innovative and disciplined child.
Leena Bhatia, 77.40%.
She is passionate, sober, and a modest girl.
Revati Patil, 79.80%.
She is a powerful orator and very confident student.
Tamajid Mukhtar Khan, 79.80%.
She is a multidimensional and brilliant child. She is always active, energetic, and disciplined.
Samruddhi Apturkar, 80%.
She is a very hardworking and obedient girl.
Dipanshu Bhatia, 80.80%.
He is a studious, wise, and witty child.
Prathamesh Sangre, 81.20%.
He is a child with genius mind and who strives hard to do his best.
Shreyash Wankhade, 83.20%.
He is very curious, confident, and trustworthy child.
Sanket Gavai, 86.80%.
He is dedicated, honest, and optimistic child. He is sincere in his work and strives hard to achieve his goal.
Om Agarkar, 88%.
He is a rising star with inquisitive mind and progressive attitude. His dedicated work has always self-motivated him.
Pratik Karangale, 88.20%.
He is a well-behaved child. He is hardworking and punctual. Consistency with progress was shown by him throughout the year.
Gayatri Rane, 92.40%.
She is a multi-talented student. She is very intelligent and curious towards her studies. She has strong desire to succeed in all fronts with hard efforts.
Anchal Karpande, 92.60%.
She is a meritorious and persistent child. She is very hardworking and honest. She has been working patiently for her success.
Urvi Nimbalkar, 93.60%.
She is a very thoughtful and expressive student. She is very focused to her goal with firm determination.
Samiksha Modak, 95.20%.
Active, energetic, and full of positivity. She is punctual in all tasks assigned to her. Apart from her sincerity, she is down to earth, respectful, and patient child. She is indeed an all-rounder. She has topped in district in science stream in 12 CBSE exams from Prabhat Higher Secondary School and brought the glory and pride to all Prabhatians.
Hello everyone, I am Samiksha. I got my result on 13 July. I was happy that I could score good. But it would not have been possible without the support of my parents and my school and even the guidance of my teachers. I was happy that I was the part of Prabhat Kids School because I could complete 50% of my part in the school itself. I did not have to do much at my home. Not only that much, I am happy that I could be in contact with Nare sir, Nare ma'am, principal ma'am and my coordinator who had been motivating me on each and every part of my journey. I am happy since it's not the success that I have got for myself, but I could make my parents as well as my school proud of me. So I believe that their blessings would always lay with me and I would make more of it and get more success in my life. I'm thankful to everyone who have been the part of my success and the journey to attain this. Thank you so very much for being the part of my life. Thank you.
Hello, I am Gayatri Vinod Rane and I have recently scored 92.4% in my 12th CBSE board examination. First and foremost, I would like to thank my parents for always believing and supporting me throughout my journey. I would also like to express my humble gratitude towards Nare sir and Nare ma'am for creating such a wonderful institution like Prabhat in Akola and and to the whole Narayana group who have provided us with such amazing faculties without whose guidance it would not have been possible for me to achieve this result. I would also like to thank our principal, Kanchan Patokar ma'am, who is a constant source of motivation for all of us, our coordinator, Prashant Holkar sir, for all the efforts that he took for us, and all my teachers, without whose guidance it would not have been possible. I would also like to thank the other staff members, all the Thais and Bhaus, the drivers, and all the people who organized the mess for us because they more or less contributed in this achievement. Thank you so much. I am and I've always been a proud Prabhatian. Thank you so much.
Hello, this is Purvi Nimbalkar. Today I'm feeling so happy to say that I'm second district topper with 93.6% in my CBSE 12th standard exams. I would like to thank all those who supported and guided me at every step of my journey, my family members who always motivate me and never let me lose my hope. And special thanks to the entire Prabhat team, respected Nare sir, Nare ma'am, Kanchan Patokar ma'am, Vrishali Wagmare ma'am, Prashant Tholkar sir, and all the teachers who taught me and took so many efforts to help me in my studies in the best possible way. It was really impossible for me to achieve this without your support. Thank you, thanks a lot.
I am Achal Prasad Karpande. I got 92.6% in 12th CBSE board and I got 100 out of 100 in physical education. I worked hard through the year for achieving this goal, but sometimes I used to feel demotivated and would also lose the hope sometimes. But there were my parents who supported me and guided me. They always motivated me, and I used to travel from Patur to Akola for my daily schooling. I used to study hard through the year. My teachers also helped me through this journey. They helped me to clear my doubts and also analyze my mistakes and helped me in correcting them. So I would like to thank all of them. I would like to thank Honorable Nare sir, Nare ma'am, Kanchan Patokar ma'am, Wagmare ma'am, respected Police sir, Abhishek sir, Sonam ma'am, Daleshwar sir, Vinit Tiwari sir, Archana ma'am, who were with me and supported me and guided me all through this year. So thank you to all of them.
I am profusely elated to welcome a prominent personality, Dr. Mallikarjun Talla sir, Academic Dean, Narayana N-Guide Expert Program. It's our pleasure to have his valuable guidance and wishes to all our students for their bright future.
First of all, I heartily congratulate all meritorious students of Prabhat on behalf of Prabhat Kids and Narayana Group. Narayana Group is a leading education institution in the country. We are glad that we are providing our best educational services to Prabhat Kids, a noted school engaged in the task of preparing meritorious students. Really, all the students took a serious efforts to achieve this marvelous success in CBSE examination, that is 12th standard examination. We have received best cooperation from the teachers of Prabhat Kids and the management of Prabhat Kids. So we could give such a marvelous result. Though there has been a no substitute of hard work and there is no shortcut to success. Both these institutes have honestly worked in providing complete guidance and proper study material to our students. Once again, as a Dean of Narayana Education Institution, I extend my heartiest greeting to all meritorious students and their teachers and giving them best wishes for their future career. And thanks to management of Prabhat Kids for giving me a chance to extend my best wishes to in this online felicitation ceremony. Lastly, for JEE aspirant and NEET aspirant, Prepare repeatedly, perform brilliantly. All the best for final competitive exam. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you, one and all.
I extend my heartfelt gratitude to Dr. Mallikarjun Talla sir. We are pleased to have his valuable thoughts and best wishes on this occasion. So now, it's time to felicitate our students who have achieved above 75% marks.
Smruti Hushe, 75.40%.
She is very caring and creative and feels free to clear her doubts from teachers.
Arhant Wankhade, 75.40%.
He is very charming, confident child. He is very honest and trustworthy student.
Ishika Gawande, 75.60%.
She is flexible and sensitive girl. She positively approaches and tackles problem confidently.
Supriya Vauge, 75.80%.
She is very gracious, decent and quick-witted student. She is spontaneous and very confident.
Rohit Gugu, 75.80%.
He is very enthusiastic and excitable. He is youthful and efficient child.
Harshita Mantri, 75.80%.
Strives hard to achieve her goal with a firm determination. She tries to keep herself unshaken.
Atharva Hadole, 76.20%.
He is a very blissful and delightful child. He is always cheerful and helpful to others.
Akshata Dighe, 76.60%.
A sweet, silent student showing consistent progress in her studies and is very soft-spoken.
Kushal Alim Chandani, 76.80%.
A cheerful personality seeking forward with positivity and confidence. He is firm and determined.
Tushar Pandit, 77%.
A silent student with many good virtues and abilities to be successful in life.
Tanvi Uzavne, 77%.
She is very joyful, cheerful and blissful student. She is very active, polite and focused child.
Yash Deshmukh, 77.60%.
He is blessed with patience and curious mind, stepping forward to hit his goal.
Rashi Shah, 77.80%.
She is sensible and delightful. She is always cheerful and charming student.
Sanit Khadse, 78%.
Strives hard to maintain balance in his studies and co-curriculum activities. He has a sportsman spirit who is always ready to face challenges along his path.
Uditi Sangvi, 78%.
She is steadily striving hard to achieve her goal, a cheerful student with a positive approach.
Samruddhi Bhise, 78.40%.
A charming personality with a sweet smile. She proceeds ahead with a great confidence. Silent and sober, aiming her goal with firmness.
Swaranjali Shegokar, 79.40%.
A dedicated student with full concentration and devotion towards studies.
Sujal Chandak, 79.40%.
He is a very honest, patient and passionate child. He is very imaginative and intelligent.
Puneet Lakhe, 79.80%.
An extraordinary studious child, well disciplined and focused.
Aryan Sikharia, 80%.
Expressive in his thoughts, wants to achieve his goals in a tension-free style. He is intelligent and straightforward.
A teacher has two jobs: fill young minds with knowledge. Yes, but more important, give those minds a compass so that the knowledge doesn't go waste. Now, I would like to call such a hardworking and dedicated teacher, our Senior Secondary Coordinator, Mr. Prashant Holkar, to congratulate all our students and give his best wishes to them.
CBSE 12th standard result is out. Consistently, Prabhat students have achieved great success in CBSE board examination. Under the guidance of Prabhat expert faculty, students prepared very hard to achieve great success. Here, I am expressing my gratitude to our directors, Dr. Gajanan Nare and Mrs. Vandana Nare. I am very thankful to Academic Director Kanchan Patokar and Principal Vrushali Wagmare for their valuable guidance. Here, I congratulate all students for this wonderful success and I wish them for their future education. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your warm wishes to all our students. Moving ahead with our program, it's time to felicitate our achievers.
Avanti Naokar, 80%.
She is a studious, dedicated and focused child. Shows active participation and ready to move forward.
Gaurav Nagapure, 80.40%.
An extraordinary brilliant child with a sportsman spirit to win every time.
Sumedha Mankar, 80.40%.
She is very sensible and sensitive student. She has a very considerate, substantial and marvelous personality.
Aryan Room, 80.60%.
He is zealous, pleasant and obedient student. He is very energetic, blissful and helpful.
Diksha Kulkarni, 80.80%.
She is very cultured and generous child. She is most disciplined student with sincerity and loyalty.
Ram Nirmal, 81%.
An intelligent child who always keeps himself updated with current affairs.
Anand Chandak, 81.40%.
He is known for his well-discipline. He is sincere and focused. He has a smile on his face which keeps him self-motivated and achieve his goal.
Anuradha Gorad, 81.60%.
A sweet, silent child, very soft-spoken and always ready to help teachers.
Krishna Thakre, 81.80%.
Born artist with high imagination of creativity. He is silent and obedient child and always look forward with firm determination.
Jayant Taide, 81.80%.
He is lovingly called the scientist of the class. He is very hardworking, friendly and imaginative student.
Vaishnavi Bhatkar, 81.80%.
A sincere child with an honest and hardworking attitude and all the abilities to succeed in life.
Sejal Solanki, 81.80%.
She is a very creative child and is also appreciated for doing things in an innovative way.
Aditi Raibole, 82.20%.
A wise mind and a nice student, known for her extraordinary virtues all the while.
Piyush Bale, 82.40%.
He is very determined and polite child who shows willingness in learning. He is very sensible and respectful.
Himanshu Deshmukh, 82.40%.
He wins the heart with his simple and obedient gestures. He is focused in his work to hit his goal. Sincerity and dedication are his weapons.
Janhavi Gadhve, 82.80%.
She is a confident, adorable and intelligent student. She is very energetic and compassionate child.
Sarthak Dalal, 82.80%.
A studious and hardworking dynamic child. He is distinct and enthusiastic child.
Ganesh Gavande, 83%.
A silent student, very studious and focused, with perseverance and determination to achieve the goal.
Devansh Malode, 83.20%.
A curious student with an inquisitive mind and a tendency to learn and progress all the while.
Samruddhi Shimote, 83.20%.
She has hidden qualities in her which blooms up when she is surrounded with responsibilities. She strives hard to make her dreams come true.
Innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower. The true mark of a leader is the willingness to bring innovative ideas, and it gives me immense pleasure to welcome the backbone of Prabhat Parivar, Honorable Director Dr. Gajanan Nare Sir and Director Mrs. Vandana Nare Ma'am, who came up with this innovative idea of online felicitation ceremony even during the time of pandemic. Your leadership has the capacity to translate vision into reality. I request Honorable Sir and Ma'am to congratulate all our students and express their valuable thoughts.
Good afternoon, dear students and parents. First of all, I would like to congratulate all the students who made the school proud by achieving the great success in 10th and 12th standard examination, and of course their parents too. Especially the girl from a very small village, Gopal Khed, who came and grabbed the honor of being a district topper in 12th standard examination. I would like to congratulate Ms. Samiksha Modak and her parents for the marvelous success. Deep Unadkat, a very studious and focused student, gave a splendid performance in the board 10th standard examination. Congratulations to him and his parents too. All the students work very hard, and that is the reason they have achieved this grand success. After all, it's all about how much efforts you put in. Those who dreamt of achieving something amazing have accomplished their dreams. The teachers equally deserve appreciation in this result. They play a major role in crafting a person into a student. Many of the students have achieved 100 out of 100 in the subjects, for which I would like to specially congratulate Sanskrit HOD Jayasri Deshmukh, Maths HOD Priya Sharma, Social Studies HOD Rahul Nilatkar, and Marathi HOD Swati Thakre. Similarly, I would like to congratulate Senior Secondary Coordinator Prashant Holkar, Mr. Balakrishna Puli, and his whole team for the full-time guidance to the student. I would even like to congratulate and thank the academic head of Narayana Group, Mr. Mallikarjun Sir, for his constant guidance and cooperation. Lastly, I would like to thank and congratulate the whole teaching staff of Prabhat, coordinators, child counselor, HODs, sub-HODs, vice principal, principal, and respected academic director ma'am. Like every year, the graph of the result has increased this year too, and I hope it will keep on rising every year. Once again, heartily congratulations to all the achievers, and thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir and ma'am, for your kind words. I hope all our students will definitely follow the right path instilled by your guidance to achieve success in life. Continuing to our program, let us now felicitate our achievers.
Aniket Kharode, 83.40%.
He is a very sincere, sensitive, and reliable student. He is rational, polite, and passionate about studies.
Grishika Agrawal, 83.40%.
She is meticulous and sensitive student. Due to her positive attitude, she made her way to meet Prime Minister over Pariksha Pe Charcha.
Shreya Gosavi, 83.40%.
An intelligent, devoted, and a sincere child. She believes in regularity and ready to shoulder responsibilities.
Atharva Sadafade, 84%.
A curious student with a keen vision and a passion to work hard and succeed.
Vedika Lande, 84.60%.
She is very polite, gentle, and articulate child. She has immense potential to learn.
Arya Waghode, 84.80%.
She is very gentle, polite, and zealous student. She has immense potential to learn new things. She is always curious to learn.
Aboli Hadole, 85.20%.
She is confident and clever student. She is efficient and tactful child.
Datta Gawande, 85.40%.
He is courteous and benevolent personality. He has tremendous potential and zeal for learning.
Shreyas Dhomne, 85.80%.
An intelligent student who is always curious to do things in an innovative way.
Amardeep Kuchar, 85.80%.
He is a very dynamic, delightful, and dedicated student. He is always enthusiastic to learn and a very hardworking student.
Om Mangte, 86%.
He is a very responsible and respectful child who has immense potential to learn and be focused in his work.
Siddhant Kabra, 86.20%.
An intelligent child who keenly observes and grasps the knowledge. With his dedication, he can hit even bigger goals. He is a child who can achieve whatever he wants.
Ayush Kesan, 87.20%.
An ingenious student with a never to give up attitude and extraordinary intellectual power.
Aditya Patil, 87.40%.
A brilliant student with a very curious and creative mind and a firm believer of goodness.
Sampada Rathi, 87.40%.
She has a pleasing personality, facing challenges positively with happy gestures. She has polite and humble behavior.
Pankaj Badarkhe, 87.40%.
He is ambitious, broad-minded, and innovative child. He is very sincere with a versatile personality.
Virendra Bakal, 87.40%.
He is very determined and dedicated student who displays enthusiasm in learning. He is modest and mature.
Vedant Vaidya, 87.60%.
He is rational and passionate towards studies. He is obedient and loyal student.
Nirmohi Nesharkar, 87.80%.
Very delightful and silent child. She works independently and takes pride in work done well. She is a fabulous dancer.
Gauri Talokar, 87.80%.
She is an amazing sports person. She is silent and calm, but extremely obedient and polite girl.
Teachers can change lives with just the right mix of chalk and challenges. Now, I request our Standard 10th coordinator, Mrs. Swati Thakre, to express her feelings and congratulate all our students.
माझ्या सर्व विद्यार्थी मित्रांना स्वाती ठाकरेकडून खूप खूप अभिनंदन. यशाहून उत्तम कोणतीही गोष्ट नाही आणि तुमचं कौतुक करावं याहून अधिक चांगली संधी नाही. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आयुष्यातला पहिला महत्त्वाचा टप्पा तुम्ही यशस्वीरित्या पार केला, त्याबद्दल तुमचं खूप खूप अभिनंदन. 10वीचे वर्ष म्हटले की आई, बाबा, विद्यार्थी आणि शिक्षक या सर्वांना जिकरीचे असते. तुम्ही चांगल्या गुणांनी यशस्वी झालात आणि आम्हा शिक्षकांना तुमच्या यशाने तुम्ही उपकृत केले. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, मी शेवटी इतकंच म्हणेन, आकाशी तुम्ही घ्यावी झेल, सारे ब्रह्मांड समावे तुमच्या कवे, स्मरून गुरुजनांना आपल्या, आयुष्य जावे जन्मदात्यांच्या सेवेत. पुढच्या वाटचालीकरिता खूप खूप शुभेच्छा. धन्यवाद.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for expressing your joyous feelings and warm wishes. Moving ahead with our program, it's time to felicitate our achievers.
Sharvari Misurkar, 87.80%.
A multi-talented child who always kept a balance in sports and studies and brought glory to our school. She is an amazing national level player in rifle shooting.
Jayashri Mundada, 87.80%.
She has extraordinary hidden qualities which make her the best student. She is a very understanding child and needs to be handled with care and love. She is highly dedicated towards her goal and strives hard to achieve it.
Rashmi Deshmukh, 88.20%.
She is always ready to shoulder responsibilities with her unique style of enthusiasm. She is a cheerful, cool child whose silent presence is very pleasing.
Nishan Pathod, 88.40%.
A wise mind and a thoughtful child, always picking positive things with a positive mind.
Shobhit Gavai, 88.60%.
He is an articulate, artistic and very contented child. He has a very delightful and pleasant personality.
Sanket Chandak, 88.60%.
He is adventurous, confident and very talented student. He is a very brilliant child. He is distinct and enthusiastic child.
Anushka Joshi, 88.60%.
Words can't express the qualities of you. You have amazing talent in you of an orator. She has won numerous awards in speech competitions. A silent and a sober personality who is always ready to shoulder responsibilities with great enthusiasm.
Aniruddha Bodkar, 88.60%.
He is a very quiet, silent and modest child. He is very responsible and a well-organized student.
Ridhima Agrawal, 88.80%.
She is curious, sensible and self-motivated student. She is very precise, confident and vibrant child.
Gayatri Sadafade, 89%.
You are the shining star. You have always sparkled even in the galaxy of stars.
Prabal Chaukhande, 89.20%.
He is all-rounder performer in sports as well as studies. Very loyal, honest, passionate and humble child. He is role model for everyone.
Madhura Thote, 89.20%.
She is very hardworking and persistent in studies. She is thoughtful, responsible and insightful.
Jnandeep Patrikar, 89.20%.
A studious and hardworking child, strives hard to overcome all the challenges.
Prerna Chore, 89.20%.
A silent and persuasive child, always engaged in channelizing her skills. A very soft-spoken girl.
Yash Karne, 89.60%.
A persistent performer having keen in studies and all activities.
Chinmay Chavda, 89.80%.
A powerful orator and a genius mind with polite gestures and humble nature. He is an extremely obedient child.
Rushi Maheshwari, 90%.
A creative child with an artistic mind, always known to create wonders in his style. You have an amazing power to lead.
Uday Jirvankar, 90.20%.
He is confident and enthusiastic. He is rational and thoughtful.
Diya Tiwari, 90.40%.
You have been patiently working on your progress. Your gentle nature and dedicated work has always self-motivated you.
Jatin Bhimjayani, 90.40%.
A studious and dynamic personality who always keeps himself updated with current happenings.
They may forget what you said, but they will never forget how you made them feel. Our teachers can present us important life opportunities, inspire us to discover ourselves, motivate and guide us along the way. No one can measure the joy a teacher feels for his or her child's achievement. So now, I request our Standard 10th teachers to express their joyful feelings and congratulate all our students.
Hello, dear children. Hearty congratulations on your grand success and for the laurels you have brought to our school with your exemplary performance. Children, it's a matter of great honor and privilege that this year too, Prabhat has maintained its tradition of 100% results in board exams. And it has become possible just because of your passion, dedication, commitment, and perseverance towards your studies. You all have raised the bars so high with outstanding results as always. You all have taken the brilliance to a whole new level where Prabhat is soaring beyond the stratosphere. Your never give up attitude gives the oodles of inspiration to the other students of our school. Your grit and your meticulous hard work has brought this glory to our Prabhat family. Children, we have tried to develop the ability to accept the challenges and to overcome them with efficiency and excellence. Self belief is the key to success. So be persistent, focused, and determined towards your aim. I'm so glad and feel myself fortunate that I'm your teacher. I wish you all the best for all the new ventures that life has in store for you. God bless you all.
Bravo and congratulations, dear students. All of you gave your best and added an epic of success in the story of your lives and the success saga of our school, Prabhat Kids. Once again, congratulations and warm wishes. May you keep on adding more sparkles of success in your future. This is my wish for you today, tomorrow, and always.
A very blissful morning to all of you. It is my privilege to address you on this moment of pride, where students of 10th standard have hit wonderful results in 10 CBSE board exams. We, the team Prabhat, bow to their success and dedication towards their studies and overall involvement. These glittering results wouldn't have been possible without the guidance of our Honorable Director, Nare Sir and Nare Ma'am, Principal Ma'am and Vice Principal Ma'am. Hearty congratulations to all of you and wish you all the best for your future.
बधाई हो तुम्हें कि तुमने खुद को साबित कर दिखाया है। पार किए हैं कई इम्तिहान, तब जाकर सफलता का ये दिन आया है। छात्रों, सफलता हर मनुष्य के जीवन में बहुत महत्व रखती है, लेकिन यदि इस सफलता की सराहना करने वाला कोई ना हो तो उसका स्वाद फीका पड़ जाता है। आज इस अवसर का फ़ायदा उठाकर मैं आप सभी को बहुत सारी बधाइयाँ देना चाहती हूँ कि आपने अपने जीवन का एक महत्वपूर्ण मकाम पार कर लिया है। आपने भविष्य में आने वाले छात्रों के लिए एक आदर्श तय कर दिया है। आपको अपने भविष्य में भी इसी तरह सफलता मिलती रहे, इसी शुभकामना के साथ मैं सविता तापड़िया आप सभी को बहुत सारी बधाई देती हूँ। धन्यवाद।
Dear students, congratulations on your excellent exam result. Keep the same courage and confidence to face the challenges of life. You did so well and surprised everyone. Really, this is a proud moment for every teacher when students touch the ladder of success. Your good result will open new doors of opportunity. May you have continued success and happiness. Enjoy what you do and success will follow you as before. Wishing you all the best for your future.
Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to congratulate all students who have achieved excellence in class 10. It makes me feel pleased and very proud to have such hardworking and dedicated students who have set new records of achievements in all the subjects. Generally, mathematics is supposed to be a complicated subject, but our student proved it wrong by scoring 100 out of 100 in mathematics. Dear student, your achievements are the result of your efforts. Give your best in future. I wish you all the pinnacle of success in your life. A big congratulations to all. Thank you.
Thank you all dear teachers for your kind words and heartfelt wishes. Moving ahead with our program, it's time to felicitate our achievers.
शिवकुमार उन्हाळे 90.40%.
Very polite, generous and thoughtful. Well-mannered and mature child. displays high level of discipline always.
Aditya Masne, 90.60%.
A studious child who is always very curious to learn new things and feel free to have a word with teachers to clear his doubts.
Pranav Ingre, 90.60%.
Genius in mathematics, silent but extraordinary child. 100% with excellence in any chosen field. Punctual in submission, studies and all assigned tasks. Disciplined, obedient, hardworking and best student.
Priyanka Suryavanshi, 90.60%.
She is gregarious and resourceful child. She is very sincere, modest and compassionate girl.
Om Bharamde, 91%.
A very energetic child, always cheerful with an optimistic perception about everything.
Ayushi Biyani, 91%.
A silent, sober, hardworking child with a keen and curious mind and the aspiration to be successful in all walks of life.
Priyanshu Shah, 91.20%.
Good and well-behaved student. Hardworking is only his policy. Consistency shown by him throughout the year. Kind by nature.
Anchal Chandak, 91.40%.
She is a very dazzling, delightful and calm child. She is very obedient and eager to learn.
Pranjal Kaure, 91.80%.
A studious and a very creative child and is very soft-spoken and caring.
Piyanshu Sharma, 91.80%.
Active, energetic and full of positivity child. Always charged with positive energy. Excellent in all subjects. Will be best performer in any chosen field. Best student.
Samyak Bharsakari, 92%.
Blessed with artistic virtues without any vice. You are a noble person who is always wise. You believe in doing than speaking.
Ishita Dange, 92.20%.
She is very dazzling, delightful and calm child. She is very honest and obedient.
Tamanud Ghule, 92.40%.
An extraordinary, outstanding child with a subtle nature and a mature approach of a winner all the while.
Naman Kesan, 92.40%.
A genius mind and a humble soul. You are the one always known for your good scores on a whole.
Ayush Kalme, 92.60%.
A tech-to-savvy child with a will and zeal to learn new concepts and shine in the future.
Kishita Mittal, 92.60%.
A very balanced, calm and optimistic child. A wonderful poet, resourceful and sensitive child.
Sana Chaudhary, 93%.
A sincere and sober student with a strong desire to succeed in all fronts with hard efforts.
Priya Dongarkar, 93%.
She is very affectionate and articulate child. She is truthful, sensitive and reliable student.
Shantanu Sable, 93%.
A very hardworking student with the perception to stand out and fulfill his goal on the whole.
Abhijit Botsure, 93%.
An ingenious and expressive student with excellent writing skills and clear perception.
Harshal Tale, 93.40%.
A sincere student and a silent child with a vision to touch the sky, having a sincere attitude all the while.
Vidhi Andhare, 93.40%.
A studious, persuasive child who strives hard to do her best and be above the rest.
Vedant Deshmukh, 93.40%.
He is very hardworking and dedicated student. Always shows willingness to learn. He is self-disciplined child.
Nimish Wankhede, 93.40%.
An introvert child with an extraordinary brilliant mind, with a sportsman spirit to win every time.
Akhilesh Soni, 93.60%.
You are full of passion and focused for dedicating to achieve success. You are the pride of school.
Prathamesh Pawar, 93.80%.
A child with a firm vision and the confidence to achieve it with full devotion.
Raghav Kulkarni, 93.80%.
A silent and a persuasive child, always engaged in channelizing his skills in an optimistic way and always working hard to improve himself each and every day.
Kumudini Deshmukh, 94%.
She is very persistent, honest and imaginative student. She is very courteous, diligent and passionate about her aim.
Suhani Jaju, 94%.
A very determined child, well aware about her goals and the ways to determine them on a whole. An excellent leader with an extremely thoughtful mind. She had an opportunity to meet our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji on Pariksha Pe Charcha.
Shreyash Sarode, 94.40%.
A hard-working child with the sincerity to strive hard and very soft-spoken.
Anvesha Sherekar, 94.60%.
A sweet, silent student showing consistent progress in her studies who has always been appreciated for her discipline.
Isha Sarda, 94.60%.
A champion in all fields, known to score high and touch national and international zenith, and a strong will to fly high and touch the sky.
Tanaya Kakad, 94.80%.
Words can't express your humble nature with firm thoughts and always ready to accept new opportunities in life. An all-rounder child with well-disciplinary manners.
Mahima Jain, 95%.
A hard-working child with the sincerity to strive hard and achieve the best. She is firm and determined with her thoughts. She steps forward with positivity.
Atharva Daberao, 95.20%.
He is very sensible and modest. He is well organized and respectful student.
Gayatri Dhanokar, 95.20%.
She is very congenial and thoughtful child. She is courteous and cordial. She is always ready to learn.
Sahil Wadkar, 95.40%.
He is very meticulous, honest and a dedicated child. He has a great interest in subjects like maths and science. With his immense rational attitude, he has been the topper of Maharashtra State Scholarship Exam.
Amisha Sahu, 96%.
She is hardworking and obedient girl, punctual in all tasks assigned, well-behaved and disciplined girl, maintained consistency throughout the year in all subject work, kind by nature, shows extraordinary work in art and craft also.
Vedant Pankewar, 96%.
He is very brilliant, adventurous, aesthetic and joyful student. He is a source of joy and pride for his cumbersome efforts to achieve his goals.
Om Mankar, 96.20%.
A bubbly, genius one with extraordinary skills and the will to achieve success in all the fields.
Now hold your breath, dear parents and students, as it's time to announce and felicitate the outstanding top 10 achievers of Standard 10 Session 1920.
Srushti Mahisne, 96.60%.
Best in all subjects, disciplined and hardworking child. Shows enthusiasm and willingness to complete every work assigned in time. Obedient and all-rounder student. Maintained consistency throughout the year. extraordinary excellence in art and craft work.
Ankush Patil, 96.60%.
An intelligent student with a curious mind who is always shooting up with new thoughts and innovative ideas in his mind.
Rasika Rahane, 96.80%.
She is very obedient and modest child. She is independent and makes solid efforts to achieve her excellence in every field. She is determined as well as optimistic.
Aditya Rathi, 97.40%.
He is intelligent and resourceful. He has excellent ability to set goals and be persistent in achieving them. He is cheerful and passionate.
Harsh Kulkarni, 97.40%.
An upcoming brilliant sports star and a studious child with a firm mind to accept all the challenges in his path.
Gayatri Mishra, 97.40%.
A studious child with the sincerity to succeed and who is humble all the while. She keeps herself motivated with her sincere efforts.
Dhruv Sarada, 97.60%.
His innocent look hides his mischievousness. Though very good in logical thinking and a budding scientist, he is always ready to help others and a self-motivator.
Khyati Loya, 98%.
A meritorious and dynamic persona, known for her genius mind, an integrated mixture of excellence and artistic virtues which make you the best and definitely above the rest.
Astha Lohia, 98%.
A multi-talented child with multi-dimensional skills and excellence along with a good will. She is very confident and well-disciplined child. She has topped Homi Baba exam along with several competitive exams.
Deep Unadkar, 98.40%.
Silent and thoughtful student who is firm in his vision and moving ahead with firm determination. He is a studious student with curious mind. He is the topper of Prabhat Kids School 10th CBSE board exam. He has brought immense happiness and glory to all Prabhatians.
Hi everyone, I am so glad to get this excellent success. I am so happy. I am thankful to all my teachers, parents and the school who made me capable for such a challenges. Thanks for their support and guidance. This is all due to their enormous efforts, perfect planning and execution. I would also like to thank all the dignitaries, respected Nare sir, Nare ma'am, principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am and each and everyone who contributed for my remarkable success. Thank you.
Hello, myself Aditya Jugal Kishore Rathi and I have scored 97.4% in my 10th CBSE board examinations. All the credit of my success goes to my parents, teachers and my colleagues. Due to their support and attention towards me throughout the year, I am able to achieve this success and I am very thankful for this. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Harsh Kulkarni. I am from Prabhat Kids School and I scored 97.4% in boards exam. I am grateful to all my teachers who pushed me hard to perform well in the exam. They were the one who stood by my side even when I was not performing well. The constant efforts of the school like the practice paper, doubt clearing sessions, on all that hard work paid off. I am also thankful to the sports department for providing such a good facilities which helped me to explore my hobbies in between the academic session. Again I am thankful to Nare sir, Nare ma'am, principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am and all other dignitaries who showed faith in me and supported me throughout the year. Thank you.
So, in 10 CBSE boards, I secured 97.4%, which was only possible because of the guidance and support of my parents. Also, all of my teachers who taught me with all their might and helped me solve all of my queries. My teachers would always put that extra effort to bring the best out of me. Also, they encouraged me, and the main reason behind my achievement was self-study, practicing all the problems and reading.
Hello, myself Dhruv Sarda. I was a student of Prabhat Kids School and I scored 97.6% in CBSE Class 10th exams. And this is all possible because of my subject teachers who encouraged me and helped me in boosting my abilities. I thank them for inspiring me and for being there to guide me when I needed them. I once again thank to all the teachers, Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, Nare Sir Nare ma'am, and all the persons who believed me and taught me a vast number of invaluable things which helped me and made me successful. Thank you very much.
Parents and teachers are the role models of society. They shape young minds and make every success possible. I feel proud to have been a part of Prabhat Kids, the best school in Akola. I owe my achievement to my parents, school management, principal, teachers and everyone of Prabhat Parivar. I am grateful to everyone for guiding me, supporting me and helping me achieve this feat. I thank each and every teacher from the bottom of my heart. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Asta Lohia from Prabhat Kids School. I scored 98% marks in the 10th CBSE boards. It is such an overwhelming feeling achieving such a score after an year of dedication and hard work. I would like to thank all my teachers and the school staff for their constant motivation and efforts. It would not have been possible without their encouraging words. Thanks a lot.
Friends, I'm Deep Unadkat. While it is still sinking in that I topped the school with 98.4% in my board exams, the feeling that I'm filled with is gratefulness. So I would like to thank all my teachers for their continuous support, their guidance, their encouragement. They taught me the ABC of accomplishment. So I would like to offer my sincere thanks to every one of them. This achievement wouldn't have been possible without the blessings of my family, who are the strongest support system of my life. And now that I'm stepping ahead, it is with mixed emotions when I say that my school days are over. So my suggestion to you all is make most of these time, enjoy these days without losing focus on your studies, because they will build the foundation for your life. So once again, I would like to thank the Prabhat family from the bottom of my heart. Thank you.
I once again congratulate all the students of Standard 10 and Standard 12 for their marvelous achievements in the CBSE Board Exams 2020. Last but not the least, now I would like to request our most pleasant and dedicated Vice Principal, Mrs. Archana Belsare, to propose the vote of thanks on this occasion.
Congratulations dear students for your mega success. The smallest task well done becomes a miracle of achievement. It is the devotion, dedication and hard work of our dear students which has created a miracle today. And we all are celebrating the mega success of our 10th and 12th standard achievers today. Behind this achievement, there are so many people who have played a key and significant role. And today, taking this opportunity, I want to express my gratitude to all those people. A beautiful building stands tall on a strong structure. My dear students, today you all are touching the great height of success. It is because of the strong foundation which has been provided to you all by our Honorable Directors, Dr. Gajanan Nare and by Mrs. Vandana Nare Madam. I heartily thank to our Honorable Directors for providing such a strong platform to our students, for their all-time inspiration and encouragement and far clear vision. I thank to respected Academic Director Madam for her unfailing support, for imparting the confidence and positive energy in our 10th and 12th standard team. A special thank to respected Principal Madam for her superb planning, timely execution and periodical monitoring of the program. For the success of any element, a proper coordination and contribution is required. Heartily thank to our Senior Secondary Coordinator Mr. Prashant Khodkar and entire Narayana team for their superb coordination. With a deep sense of appreciation, I recall the hard efforts taken by our dear and loving teachers and all the HODs. The learning they planned, the environment they created, it was outstanding. Dear teachers, your days of hard work has paid much today. I congratulate and thank to you all. And my dear students, a big thank to you all even. We have just created an opportunity to you all. We have provided a platform to you all. But it is you who have made the goal of the provided opportunities. Dear students, I thank all of you for the entire efforts and the energy which you put into the work. It is because of you the day has become memorable, and we are going to remember this day even after. Thank you all of you for you and your dedication. A big thank to all our dear parents for their strong support and cooperation with our school. Thankfulness is the beginning of gratitude, and gratitude is the completion of thankfulness. With these words, I stop here. Once again, thank you all of you very much. May God continue to shower His blessings on all of us. Thanks.
Success doesn't come to you. You have got to go to it. And definitely our standard 12 students have got success through their hard work and dedication. So let us congratulate our senior secondary students batch 2019-20 who have made an outstanding achievement in CBSE board exams and has set a new benchmark. I express my heartfelt gratitude to all the dignitaries and entire Prabhat family. I hope you all enjoyed this online felicitation ceremony 2020. With due permission, I announce the conclusion of this program. Do take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe.